and involve more of the distal motion, so that the person just looks like a more natural movement. And then as he moves into the active assistive stage, and then we're going to progress without the support of the non-involved arm. Okay, Michael, you can take your right arm off. And so what I'll do now is ask him to progress upstairs. So Michael, go ahead and step forward here. And as you can see, we're simply just grading the elevation. So with the intent of reaching to full elevation eventually, we're just gradually accomplishing that. So now I'll ask Michael to just produce that motion on his own. And you can see that the tool supports the weight of the arm, so as he moves distally away from his body, then the tool continues to stay with him. And I'll show that again when we show the wall mount, how it compares to pulleys. We'll go up one more stair height. Okay. Now he can also, Michael, I'll have you put your left foot in front of your right, just like that. When we reach higher, we tend to use more of our body. And so this allows him to work his lower extremity in the act of supporting reaching. And as you can see, if there's a gradual restraint here, as I'm watching the details, we can look for substitutions. I can also work with my hands to guide the complexity of articulation, so a mobilization with movement where I don't have to hold the weight of the arm. We all look for that third hand, and this offers the freedom to both of us so that it can be a pure motion with the appropriate assist.